experience was transformative. I have had transformative experiences before, but this really felt like coming to wholeness. So it was beautiful. Took me on a wonderful journey of self-reflection, inner discovery, release. It's very hard to put it into words, but really I think whatever I was seeking, I found. So I'm very, very grateful. I think the highlight was the group process and the support of the team. The team were wonderful. I felt so safe and so guided throughout my process. And really when things maybe were more challenging, I really felt that I had the strength to go through it. Although it was really full of activities, the activities really blended together very smoothly, but it was a full program. Even though it was a full program, I still felt I had a lot of time, and the group had time to be together, which was very, very nice. Personally, I do believe that it challenged me to keep going, even when I felt I was that little bit too tired or too weak. So it really allowed me to tap into my inner strength. InnerCamp breathwork is, I would say, varied. You get a little bit of everything in this retreat. I would say that their approach is very grounded, so I didn't feel that it was unapproachable. It felt very accessible. I've never done breathwork before, and it was really guided so that it was something I could do, which is not something I thought I could do. So it was very easy to get into, very well explained and guided. InnerCamp Tantra was amazing. It wasn't about sex, it was about sensuality and sexuality, and it really allowed me to tap into my femininity and inner masculinity as well, in a way that felt divine rather than in the body. Although it is about appreciating the body and really being present within the body, it wasn't about bodily pleasure, which was fantastic.